Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing us how to make this beautiful ball dress with yoke and ruffles. So if you're coming across this channel for the very first time, thank you for stopping by, and do not leave without subscribing and hitting on the post notification bell so that you'll be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. This video will be as detailed as possible. Do well to watch to the very end. So I'm working with the half length of 9.5, the bust of 23, waist 23, shoulder 9, armhole 4 3/4. So the first thing that I'll be doing is to draft the basic bodice. So I'll take the length I need 9.5, which is here. Mark it at intervals like so. Okay. Next thing I'll be doing is to mark my shoulder. The shoulder here is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 1/2. 1/2. Next thing to do is to mark my armhole. My armhole here is 4 3/4. Then I'll mark my neck. I'm using 2 inches by 2.5. I'll use my curved ruler to join the neck together. After this, from here I'll come down by 1/2 inch. Shoulder slope. I'll mark what I have left, divide by 2. Get the midpoint. From that point I'll come in by 1/2 inch. Then here I'll take my bust measurement. 23 divided by 4 is 5 3/4. The same thing for my waist measurement. So yeah, I'll join it this way. So with this, so from this neck depth I'll come down by 1 inch. And I'll cut out my yoke. This part is my yoke. Next thing that I'll be doing is to take a fresh pattern paper and redraft my yoke on it. From there I'll add my allowances to the yoke. So I just add allowance of 1/2 inch round all across. So this is my yoke. I cut it on fold. Now cut two pieces. I'll do the same for the remaining parts of the front bodice. I'll trace it on a new pattern paper, then add my allowances. Then, as we know, I'll add half-inch allowance to this upper part and the armhole. In this side, I'll add 1.5 inches allowance, and this lower part I'll add 3/4 inch allowance. This is the part that's going to be joined to the ball part of the dress. So as we know, this is the front. It will cut on fold one piece. So guys, I've cut out my doll face, the lace and the lining for the front, and the yoke as well in two pieces. Then I've also cut out the back and the lining. So the first thing that I'll be doing is to attach this lace to my doll face. So I already have a video on how to attach lace to a ball dress. So if you don't know how to attach lace to a ball dress, do want to check out that video and you'll be good. So I'll show us the rest of the process. So the first thing that I'll be doing is to turn my yoke. So this is my yoke. I secured it with pins. So I'll sew it with half-inch sewing allowance around the neck. Do the same thing to the armhole or both sides, half-inch sewing allowance. Now sew it as gently as possible. So I'll go ahead to trim this armhole and the neck, and I'll trim it very close to this stitch line. So this is what it's looking like after trimming this out. So I'll go ahead to turn it out, turn it inside out, and I'll just align it like this. I just stitch this together to keep it in place. So next thing I'm doing is to notch this yoke at the center. I also notch the remaining parts of the upper bodice, of the front upper bodice, and notch it at the center as well. After which I will match the midpoint of this bodice and this yoke. I'll align together like so. I'll secure it with pins. This is my lining for the front, and as we know, I'll just place it over. So I'll be sewing with ½ inch sewing allowance. It's looking good already and taking shape. So I'll notch like so. After which I'll top stitch. After which I'll sew the armhole with ½ inch sewing allowance like so. So I want to sew the neck or the back and also the armhole, and I'll be turning it with ½ inch sewing allowance. So before that, I'll check where I have 1½ inches for my zip allowance, and that is where I'll start sewing my neck from. I'll start sewing my neck from this edge, but at that 1 inch zip allowance point. So I'll notch where I've sewn for the armhole and the neck, and notch it very carefully. After notching, I'll turn it over to the front like so, and give it a very good ironing so that everything lays very flat. So I have my front bodice and also my back bodice. So I want to join the front to the back. Now join it by the shoulder. So I'll take both shoulder like so, and take the front out from the back. After which I'll sew it down with ½ inch sewing allowance. my upper bodice is looking good already. So the next thing that I'll be doing is to shape. So I am joining my body to body and lining to lining, and I'm securing it with pin. After which I'll go ahead to shape. I'll do the same for the other side. Here I'll take the measurement of the dress. So the measurement of this dress is 23. 23 divided by 4, that's 5 3/4. So I'll mark my 5 3/4. Alternatively, what I can just do is just to mark the 1.5 inches I left as sewing allowance. I left earlier. You can see that it fell on the same point. So if you take your measurement properly, that means you can either take your measurement from here or just take 1.5 inches this way. And all I just need to do is to mark it at intervals, after which I'll sew it down. So this is what my dress looks like after shaping. You can see that it looks good already. So after that, I'll just go ahead to attach the ruffles as it is in the style. So I cut my net in 4 inches. That's what I'm going to be using to make the ruffles for the shoulder. I'm going to be on the shoulder. So I'm just making my ruffles like so. I'll locate the midpoint of this net and gather my ruffles from the midpoint. I'll gather it as full as I want it to be. Depending on what you want, you can decide to make it very full or you can decide to make it less full. This is what my ruffle sleeve is looking like. So next thing I'll do is to attach it to the dress. So I want to attach the ruffles to the shoulder. So I already marked where I want the ruffle to stop. So I'll take the same machine and sew it. I'll sew it as gently as possible. Our dress looks good already.